Hello everyone. Welcome to CodeScript, and I'm here with one more video. And in this video, I will talk about the one more student benefit, which is how can you get actually the $200 MongoDB Altash credit, and also the plus access to the MongoDB Compass, and also the MongoDB University certification, and it is completely free. So, without wasting time, let's move forward. Before moving forward, I would like to request you, please, if you are new here, please subscribe this channel, and if you subscribe, like this video and share the video to others. So let's start it. Before applying to this benefit, you should have the student developer pack. If you don't know what is the student developer pack, so I would like to introduce the student. What is the GitHub student developer pack? It is the actually the benefit which is provided by GitHub. In this benefit, you will get access of many things like softwares, tools, websites, and other cloud platforms. And if you don't know how to apply for the GitHub Student Developer Pack, I have created one video on how to create how to apply for the GitHub Student Developer Pack, and also uploaded on this same channel. You can go to the channel and you will find the one video applying for the GitHub Student Developer Pack and get 100 plus benefit. Just as I told you, it has many benefits. It has one approx 100 plus benefits, and you can apply through the college email ID, or without college email ID. You can also apply it through the college ID. ID, that means the ID card. So if you have actually the GitHub Student Developer Pack, so you can apply for the MongoDB benefits. If you have not applied for the GitHub Student Developer Pack, go to the website education.github.com and apply for the GitHub Student Developer Pack, and you will get the benefit within 5 to 7 days. And then after the when you got the student developer pack, so go to this URL and click on the sign in. So if you have not the created account on MongoDB, just create the account by filling the email address, or if you have account, place the email address and log in to the your MongoDB Altash account. I have created already the account, so I will prefer to log in. And once you have logged in, just go through the education.github.com, and you will get the section of benefit. Just click on the benefit, and before going to this step that I have mentioned in this video, make sure you have logged in your GitHub account in your browser, because this website, education.github.com, will sign in your account through the GitHub. Then you will get the benefit. So you will get the lots of tools and the website, and you have to go to the MongoDB Altash. Then here you can see it's provide $200 in MongoDB Altash credit, and plus access to MongoDB Compass, and also the MongoDB universities, including certification, free certification. It's completely free. So for taking this benefit, just click on the get started connecting by connecting your GitHub account. Click on the MongoDB, and you will redirected to the MongoDB website, mongodb.com/student, and click on the sign in with GitHub. You can see the benefit of the MongoDB GitHub Student Developer Pack. You can see here that all the benefit and what is the eligibility for this benefit. that I have also mentioned previously. You should have the GitHub Student Developer. It's saying you should all active member of the GitHub Student Developer is eligible to receive this benefit. So how you can get, just signing with the GitHub, and you will ask to authorize this app MongoDB the site to get access to your GitHub account. Click on authorize, and we will redirect it to this page. And here you can find your username, GitHub your username, and the full name. And you will also find the email address. And you can see here the benefit of the pack. MongoDB general purpose document based distribution. Sorry, it is the about the MongoDB. What is the MongoDB? MongoDB is actually the cloud-based database, and it is no SQL database. Actually, it stores the data in the document form like key value pair. Unlike MySQL and Oracle, MySQL Oracle, they store the data in the tabular form, and it's also compatible with relational database. Like the table can relate each other, and two or more table can relate each other. But in the MongoDB, it is the NoSQL database, and it is not a relational database, and it stores the data in the document form like key value pair. So here you will get the promotion code to get the 200 credit. So click here on the request grant, and you will get the request code here. Then you click the code. Okay, and here you have to put your email ID from which your database account has been created. So add this email ID. Then we will get the 200 credit for the MongoDB Altas cloud database. And I am hiding this code because it should not be public. You will get your own code and copy this code, and then go to your MongoDB cloud account, and then you will see here your dashboard. Click on this menu on top right corner of the site and go to your organization. When you go through the organization, you will see that one organization has been created. If you have not create an organization, or you want to create one more organization, you can create. Then click on the organization, and then if after choosing your organization, go to the billing section that listed in the left sidebar of the page, and you will see here the credits. There is no credit available, but it's showing the apply code that is provided by student developer. Copy this code that I have already copied, and then click apply code, and then paste the code. Okay, and then submit. When you submitted, you will see here the 200 total amount has been credited to your account. Now you can use this credit to get any benefit of the MongoDB cloud. So this was the total amount credited to your account, and you can use it. And now I'm going to describe another benefit. You can go to the university .mongodb.com that has been listed in right top corner, and click on the university.mongodb.com, and you will redirected to university of the MongoDB, university.mongodb.com, and you can go through any of course these courses, and we will also get the certification of these courses. If you completed the course, we will get the benefit. Sorry, we will get the certification. So click on my courses. Actually, in new account there is no courses. Go to the courses, and You can add any courses, like I am adding the introductory MongoDB basic new courses, and you can start the courses. You can see here the estimate totally part of the course is 1.5 hours, and you will get the certification after completion of the course. And there, here is the syllabus of this course, like what is the MongoDB, how can import, export, and query data, creating, manipulating document, advanced card operation, and many things. And the best part of this training is you will get the uh, how can I explain? You will get the actually the practical demo things, like you will get access to a platform where you can uh, perform the practical queries, like how you can insert data in the database, how you can create the database, how can import the data, how can run the query on data, and how can manipulate the documents and all the code operation. So these are the benefits of the MongoDB University certification. So that was the all things that I have described how you can get the benefit. So now I'm again requesting you, please, if you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel and share this video to another, and like also this video. So thank you.